Hi, my name is Billy Lombardo, and I'm the developer and head instructor of Circe Consulting's College App Personal Essay Program. I've helped hundreds of students create college essays that help them tip the scales in their favor and landed them in the colleges of their dreams. Taking this course is the first step to joining that group of students who went from college candidates to college dorms and apartments. How important is the college essay? Well, let's look at the other factors in the college application. There's extracurricular history, grades and coursework, test scores, recommendations, and interviews. College counselors generally agree that at most schools, the college essay accounts for 25% of the overall application. Of all the other factors, only extracurriculars carry as much weight. At this point, you've got 3 years of high school history under your belt. That means that 75% of your academic, athletic, and extracurricular history is beyond change. There's no longer anything you can do about that 75%. In addition to that, there are currently more than 1,300 schools that have shifted their emphasis away from SAT and ACT scoring. Some argue that this shift will put even greater weight on the college essay this year. All of this is to emphasize that the one major thing you still have complete control over is your college essay. But writing narrative about your own life can be daunting. Most high schools around the country have devoted little, if any, time to teaching personal writing. More often than not, students are asked to keep the I out of the essay. And those students may be skilled in analyzing the literary value of texts in their English class. It's far less common to look at the literary value of their own lives. In this course, you'll be immersed in a program developed to provide you with the tools necessary to create the best application personal essay that you already have in your heart and mind. You'll be introduced to the Common App prompts. You'll acquire information about supplemental essays and the deferred list essay. You'll respond to tried and true personal essay prompts that have helped hundreds of students get into colleges and universities around the world. You'll be challenged to probe and mine the occasions, experiences, and relationships that have shaped you and distinguished you from everyone else on this planet, believe it or not. And you'll be encouraged to dive deeply into these occasions, to reflect on them, and from the discoveries of that self-reflection, to build essays that reveal you far beyond your numbers, stats, and scores. The assignments you'll be asked to take on will be unlike any assignments you've ever had, but if you take them on thoughtfully and thoroughly, you'll end up with one of the most meaningful pieces of writing you've ever created. Let's do this.